In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Realtek audio cannot connect to RPC service. So let's get started. Right click at the start button and select Task Manager. Maximize it. Then click on the Startup apps on the left pane. Then here you need to look for the Realtek audio service, this one. Make sure this is enabled. Right click, select Enable. You can also do that from here. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Click on Apps on the left pane. Click on Start App. Then we need to simply locate the Realtek. Okay, so once you find the Realtek audio from here, just also make sure this is enabled or that is turned on. Okay, you can do that from here. You can also do that in the Task Manager. Then the next thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and simply type services. Click on services under the best match. Then we need to simply locate the Realtek audio service or the Realtek audio universal service. Right click and then select properties. Startup type, change that to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start. Click on OK. After after you have made sure that the service is running on your Windows 11, close the services window, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.